Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss one of the biggest debates in the automobile industry: electric cars versus gas cars. With rising fuel prices and increasing concerns about environmental sustainability, many people are considering switching from gas-powered vehicles to electric ones. But is an electric car really the best option? Let's break down the differences and advantages of both types of vehicles to help you make an informed decision. Number 1, performance and driving experience. When it comes to performance, electric cars, EVs, have an edge over gas cars in several ways. Electric vehicles offer instant torque, which means they accelerate much faster than traditional gasoline vehicles. This results in a smooth and responsive driving experience. Gasoline cars, on the other hand, rely on internal combustion engines, which take time to generate power, making acceleration slower in comparison. However, gas cars still have an advantage when it comes to top speed and range. High-performance sports cars are usually gasoline-powered because they can sustain high speeds for longer durations. Electric vehicles, while quick off the line, often have limited top speeds due to battery constraints. Number 2, cost of ownership. When it comes to the cost of ownership, electric cars are generally more cost-effective in the long run. Electric vehicles have fewer moving parts compared to gas-powered vehicles, which means they require less maintenance. No oil changes, fewer brake replacements, and no exhaust system issues translate to lower maintenance costs. However, the initial purchase price of an electric vehicle is typically higher than that of a gasoline car. Battery technology is expensive, and many EVs come with advanced features that add to the cost. That said, government incentives, tax rebates, and decreasing battery prices are helping bridge this gap over time. Number 3, environmental impact. One of the biggest advantages of electric cars is their contribution to environmental sustainability. Unlike gas cars, which burn fossil fuels and emit harmful greenhouse gases, electric vehicles produce zero tailpipe emissions. This makes them a cleaner and greener alternative, significantly reducing carbon footprints. However, it is important to note that EVs are not entirely emission-free. The production of lithium-ion batteries used in electric cars has an environmental impact, and the electricity used to charge them often comes from fossil fuel-based power plants. That being said, as renewable energy sources become more prevalent, the environmental benefits of EVs will continue to increase. Number 4, convenience and charging infrastructure. Gasoline cars have the advantage of well-established fueling infrastructure. You can find a gas station almost anywhere, making refueling quick and convenient. On the other hand, electric cars require charging stations, which are still not as widely available. Charging an EV also takes longer than filling up a gas tank, with standard charging taking several hours, unless using a high-speed charging station. Ultimately, the choice between an electric car and a gas car depends on individual needs and priority. If you prioritize lower operating costs, environmental benefits, and a smooth driving experience, an electric car is the way to go. However, if you require longer range, quick refueling, and well-established infrastructure, a gasoline car might be more suitable. As technology continues to evolve and charging infrastructure expands, electric cars are becoming an increasingly attractive option. For the future, EVs seem to be the better choice due to their sustainability and technological advancements. So, if you're looking to invest in a car that aligns with the future of transportation, an electric vehicle is the best option.